Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing just a makeup tutorial, but I am going to be using the eyeshadow palette that is from NYX. It's the Happy Birthday one, and also I'm going to be incorporating the look using the Maybelline New York Lemonade Craze palette. So I'm actually really excited, and I do have this Patriots jersey on because Patriots are playing today, so I'm really excited. I hope they win. So I've just been wearing this all day, but I'm going to be using my eyeshadow look incorporating these two palettes. I'm really excited. Not sponsored at all, but I just thought it would be pretty fun because those are pretty new palettes, I guess, that I haven't really used that much. I just used like a couple colors out of it, but I'm really excited to do this. Cannot wait. And I haven't posted in a while now. I've just been really busy with school, but I just wanted to get a video out for you guys. So here you guys go. But make sure to be following me on Instagram, marin.palese, for video updates, sneak peeks, and a bunch more. But yes, make sure to be following me, subscribe down below, and let's hop right on into the video. Okay guys, so now that we are here, I'm going to be doing the actual makeup. I had to do a little bit of rearranging because it was really weird if I had the camera way to the side, and my desk does open up to like a mirror, so you guys are still going to be kind of on the side, but I thought it'd be much easier to be at least talking to you, not just like talking to my mirror, as it's you guys when you guys are really like sideways. Anyways, enough with that. I just wanted you guys to be behind so that you guys could actually, I could have like a one-on-one talk with you guys. But I'm really excited to do this look. Can't wait to use these palettes. I've used it very minimal, not that much, but just a tiny bit. So we're gonna first start off with like a primer. So I'm gonna be using this NYX First Base Primer Spray. I love this stuff. It's actually really good. So this is a little bit damp. It's like the real original Beauty Blender. And then I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna squirt a little bit on my cheeks. And yes, so I don't want this to be too long, just focusing on the face. So I want it to be more focused on the eyes. But I didn't want to start off with like just a base done. So now that we have that, I am now going to be taking my Maybelline New York concealer. So this is in the color Sand 20. I want to put 3 dots, is following like the pathway of it. I'm going to be taking a like matte powder. A pressed powder today. So yeah, just what I'm feeling. MAC Studio Fix pressed powder. I'm just gonna be putting it on because not all the time I like when my foundation is like lighter than my concealer is lighter than my foundation or whatever. But yes, so now that we have all this, I'm done, mostly with the face, pretty much. And then now I'm going to take this Milk Makeup stick, cheek stick, and then I'm just going to take my Beauty Blender right here and just kind of dense it all up. This is actually my Sonia Kashuk one. I just want to give myself a little bit like of a sunburnt kind of effect. And then I'm going to do the same to the other side. But don't do it like too rosy where it looks like you're a Barbie doll, because you don't want that look going on. And I like to keep this one dry when I am putting on blush. We are going to be doing the eyeshadow because this is going to take the longest part probably. So I'm going to be starting off with the Lemonade Craze palette. So I'm going to get out just any brush that I first find. That will be good. So I'm going to be taking the color Sweet Tea. It's like this like really nice crease color. So yes, just gonna be kind of bringing it all over my crease from top to bottom. So I'm just gonna we're just kind of using this as like a crease base, I guess you would say. Oh my gosh, I love it. It looks so nice and natural. So now that we have this down, or almost down, I'm going to work on like the darker like more like pinkish shades. Because I have an idea of like I'm going to do like pinkish, kind of, like fallish. So I have that. I'm now going to be taking this Urban Decay Naked palette brush, and I'm going to be taking the color Ice Pop. It has like a little bit of a shimmer to it, and it's a red, but I've used it before, and it's not like crazy where it's like super oh, I'm about to use this in the mirror. Not where it's like super duper pigmented. It's just like just there. It just looks pink. You'd have to keep on packing it on to get like a really nice deep effect to it, but that's really not what I'm going for. So I'm just gonna keep it like really subtle, I guess. So I'm just gonna keep it really nice and subtle. So now I'm gonna be taking like a blending brush kind of thing. So I'm gonna be taking this Elizabeth Mott tapered blending brush, and I'm just gonna be doing this and doing this. So now that looks like really nice and natural. We're not done with this palette, but like we've used it like two colors already. So now it's time to move on to this palette. So that's the birthday palette, happy birthday palette, and I'm gonna be taking this Luxie Good Night 110 brush. So I'm gonna be taking this. It is really good to like just pack on that nice color. So I'm gonna be taking this one right here. This doesn't have shade names, but it is like this like orangey auburny color. So I'm just gonna be kind of dipping this in. I have used this before, and it's like not too pigmented, but it's a nice subtle color. So in this look, I'm doing like really nice and subtle because I don't want it to be too crazy, because it's like a fall, like brownie orange reddish look. It's not gonna be like a dark maroon kind of look. So yeah, so that's not what I'm going for. This does have like a couple purples in it. Okay, so I've probably been filming for like 10 minutes straight already, but this is a makeup tutorial, so it's gonna take a long time. Okay, oh my gosh, I love the way this is looking actually. I really like it. So now that we have that down, we are going to be doing eyebrows. So I actually have this like Benefit Brow Zing in the color 5 actually. It's like a little like brow kit thingy. So there actually is 2 shades. I think I'm more of the lighter one. So I'm going actually to be taking one of these brushes. So I don't know how I feel about these, but oh, it's like a dual thing. Oh. Okay. So since I don't really have another choice, but I'm going to be taking this more pointed one and then taking the light color in it, and I'm going to be really focusing, so don't distract me. Be taking this one and trying to make it look like it's a combed effect as well. Like, you see, like, there's, like, that new trend where it's, like, gelled or whatever. Oh, I almost had a panic attack because I'm really bad at eyebrows. And, yeah. So, I'm going to also be trying to take the eyebrow gel, I guess. And just going to kind of be painting it in, because I don't know how to use this, and I'm really bad at everything. So, did not turn out as I expected. Oh, I'm gonna kind of be like taking it down a notch. Okay, so I just brought it a little bit too far down, and it looks really bad. So, I mean, always like I'm like really bad at eyebrows. So now I'm gonna be curling my eyelashes actually. So I'm gonna take the top and just curl it. And then do the same to the other thing. So I'm going to be taking the Tarte Lights Caramel Lashes Mascara. And it's a really good mascara, so I recommend it. Okay, I'm just going to be using my fan brush today. And I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And I'm going to be using the color Dripping in Gold and then Bubbly. They're like my two all-time favorites. So, going to take those. And this is like the longest makeup tutorial I'll probably ever do because it was, yeah, I don't know why, but I just have a feeling. But this is it. And tonight, I really hope the Patriots win. So, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I really like this look except for the eyebrows. I kind of messed up, but I just went along with it, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. This video was probably like super long, but I just want to thank you guys so much, and hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you're subscribed and follow me on Instagram. So, I'll see you guys next time, and bye.